friends. Today's session we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of hydrogen and its uses. Okay, let's go to the topic. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to give water. We all heard about the reaction. Hydrogen easily combines with oxygen to form water molecule, and this is an exothermic reaction. That means large amount of energy is released during the water formation. So this is used in the fuel cells to generate electricity. Okay. Another reaction, hydrogen can combine with halogen to give corresponding halides. That means Hi, HCl, HBr can be formed. But the condition for the reactions differ with the nature of the halides. For example, with fluorine, the reactions takes place even in darker condition. But with chlorine, it occurs only at room temperature and under light's presence. Okay, but for bromine, we require heating. But for iodine, it's a photochemical reactions. So depending upon the nature of the halogen we have taken, the hydrogen can react with them in a different manner. Okay, the general formula for this halide formation is H2 plus X2 gives 2HX. Okay, H represents any halogens. For all the reactions, the hydrogen is present in the +1 oxidation state. Okay. Another reaction, hydrogen can react with reactive metals. Examples, lithium, sodium, and calcium, like reactive metals to form corresponding hydride. Here, the oxidation state of hydrogen is -1. Okay. In the previous cases, with halogens, it having positive oxidation state. Here, it having negative oxidation state. These hydrides used to prepare some important hydrides like lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydrides. You can prepare lithium aluminum hydride from this lithium hydride. So lithium hydride can combine with aluminum chloride to form lithium aluminum hydrides. Likewise, sodium borohydride NaBH4 can be prepared from NaH, sodium hydride. Okay. Next, hydrogen itself can act as a reducing agent. So, for example, in the presence of finely divided nickel, that is Ni, it can convert unsaturated compounds into saturated compounds. Here, the triple bond presence makes the molecule unsaturated, and the addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel makes into saturated form. Triple bond becomes double bond, and double bond becomes single bond. Okay. Over bonding break பண்ணி here first one bond is broken, and then with the two carbon atoms, two hydrogens are combined to form CH2 double bond CH2. Then it further break down into single bond. Okay. Next, reactions of deuterium. Like hydrogen, deuterium can also combine with oxygen to form D2O, that is heavy water. Like hydrogen, deuterium also combined with halogens to form deuterohalides, DX. Okay. These are some deuterium exchange reactions, that is deuterium can replace the hydrogen presence in a compound. For example, here CH4, this compound hydrogen is replaced by deuterium. CH4 becomes CD4, deuteromethane. Likewise, ammonia, NH3 becomes ND3, neutro-ammonia. Okay. Next, tritium. Tritium is a radioactive substance. It emits beta radiations. So, how these radiations occur? So, tritium decomposes into 2He3 helium particles plus emits beta rays, and half-life period of this tritium is 12.3 years. Uses of hydrogen. Most of the hydrogen produced in the industry used for synthetic processes. For example, Haber process. It's the process used to prepare ammonia. That is synthesis ammonia. Large scale we are producing ammonia by this process. This ammonia used to prepare nitric acids, fertilizers and explosives. So the reaction is nitrogen combines with hydrogen at 380 to 450 degrees Celsius, and the pressure up for this synthesis is 200 atmosphere. Here the iron used as a catalyst for these reactions. So nitrogen and plus hydrogen combines to form ammonia. Then it's used to manufacture the industrial solvents, that is methanol from carbon monoxide using copper as a catalyst. So hydrogen used to prepare solvents. And another one is unsaturated fatty oils can be converted into saturated fats. These are called vanaspati. Okay. These reactions require hydrogen in presence of platinum. Okay. The process of methanol preparation, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, presence of copper gives methanol, CH3OH. Next, it can reduce metal oxides into metal. So this nature used in the metallurgy to extract metal from the metal oxides. Here CuO becomes copper, Cu, like WO can become tungsten, W. Okay. And the atomic hydrogen and the oxyhydrogen torches, so they emit higher energy during burning reactions. So these are used in the cutting and welding field. Liquid hydrogen can be used as a rocket fuel. We already know that. And hydrogen is used in fuel cells for generating electrical energy. I have already mentioned this use in the chemical properties of hydrogen. The reversible uptake of hydrogen in metals. It's also used in the rechargeable metal battery preparations. Okay. Here the hydrogen can reversibly combine with the metals. So thank you students. We shall discuss the next in the other video.